Hello, in this video I'm going to show a quick way to give students feedback in Edpuzzle. So if you're in my classes and you go into a video that students have watched, so right now I can see this video, some of my students have just watched it, there's 4 new answers. All I do is click on the video and then I click on the 4 answers to grade. What that then does, and I will be blocking out student names, so sorry if there's some blurred sections as you're watching this, I can just grade all questions at once. So all the short answer questions that need to be graded, all of them question by question pull up so that I can just very quickly grade. I can give them a check mark if it's correct, and if there's something incorrect, I can press a comment button, press comment, and then I can say incorrect, which would be 0 points, correct, which would be 100 points, or anywhere in between. Press enter. And let me just go ahead and do these 2. And now I have graded all of the questions that needed grading, the short answer questions that I asked. And that's really it. During class time, I could pull up this questions tab, and then I can easily pull up the various questions just like that. And I can even preview the video to pull up the video clip at the specific moment when this question was being asked if I want to review questions on the board in the classroom, which I really recommend doing. It really helps students connect their homework to classwork. So again, how I did that was I was in my classes and I made sure I clicked on my right class. Then I found the video and I clicked on it. I have now graded all of it, so I don't see that blue button anymore that said 4 answers to grade, but I would have clicked on that to grade very quickly. And then in the classroom, I just pull up that video, press the questions tab, and then I can pull up question by question so that we can review it. And if you press this preview video button, then the video will pull up along with the question so that you can easily review it in the classroom. All right, that's it for this video. Bye.